Jump rings are small metal circles with a cut that allows them to be opened to connect pieces together and then closed again to secure them. To open or close a jump ring, it is easiest to use 2 pairs of needle nose pliers. If you only have 1 pair, you can hold on to one side with your fingers. When you open a jump ring, twist it open rather than pulling it open, so it will hold tight when reclosed. While grasping both sides of the jump ring, simply twist it open to form a gap. To close the jump ring, just reverse this motion, bringing the 2 ends back together.